I'm Emmanuel Vaugier. The moves that you and your crew do in the game are meant to stay in the game. In the real world, drive safe, obey the laws of the road, and always wear your seatbelt.
Didn't expect you to show your face again. Things have changed around here. This place is a battleground now. Tuners, muscles, exotics. Crews fighting for territory in the city. And it all gets settled in the canyon. But you'd never survive it.
Start up.
Felt disappointed. Cruz, you need to walk away. Take my car. Go. Get out of here.
Guess who's back? Down! How you been? It's time to settle a little score from Rockport, you think?
I don't remember asking for your help, Croc. What makes you think you can bounty hunt in Silverton without my approval?
It's Cross. And this guy's from out of town.
Been a long time, kid. What's his bounty?
150K.
David, take care of this guy. So, that's what you've been up to. Nikki, this should be interesting.
How dare you show your face here!
Whoa, hey,
Fool me!
Control yourself.
I still don't know what happened that night you took off. But I do know you're into me now for some serious cash. Things have been getting a little too close for comfort around here with all these crews battling for new territory. I think I could use someone with your skills to help me out. The way I see things, I've bailed you out of a serious jam twice now. Time for you to return the favor. Nikki, what do you say you show your old friend the ropes?
You gotta be joking, right?
You got a better idea? Then let's get him started, right away. Don't disappoint. Not again.
Thanks for waiting up.
Yeah, sure, Nikki. Hey, who's the third wheel?
Doesn't matter. Darius made all these cars available to you. Pick one, whichever one you want.
Hey, if there's three, do I get one? I mean, I don't care which one, although I am partial to the one with the sweet rims.
Why don't you just make sure the tanks are filled?
That's great. I'm the monkey!
Pick one. Let's get this over with.
Nikki's good. Just listen to her. And I'll stick around and I'll help out. Make sure she's not too hard on you.
Okay, come on, let's just get this over with. Crews are a big part of building a rep in this city. You can bring a wingman into a lot of the races, and believe me, you're gonna want to. There's basically 3 different skills you're gonna see. Some drivers are blockers, others are drafters, and there's scouts. Right now, I'll be your wingman just to show you. Neville's gonna help out, be our competition for a few laps. First, you need to know how to tell your wingman when it's time to work. They'll just race until you tell them to do more. Try it now. Hey, are you paying attention? You gotta give the word before the wingman's gonna do anything.
Hey, hello. Stay with us.
Traveling in line can go faster than one. So you gotta get in behind them and stay there for a few seconds. You'll get a boost of speed, and when you pull out of the draft, you'll slingshot up ahead. Okay, just say when or we'll draft. That's it. The last of the 3 types are scouts. Scouts are like having eyes everywhere. As soon as the race starts, they'll find every back alley, side street, or any kind of route that saves you time. Just give it a try. See if you can keep up. Your wingmen will only work for a limited time. Once they're drained, they'll stop helping out, but they will stay with you and build back up until they're ready to do their thing again. And wingmen are like knobs. If you use them too early in the race, they won't be ready when you need them most. Okay, I think you got the basics. Now take it on to the streets. That's all you need to get started. I'm done wasting my time on you. Later, Neville.
Well, guess it's just you and me. Let's go find some trouble. So you've been gone a while. You're out in Rockport, huh? Man, a lot has changed since you took off. There are tons of crews in this town. Everywhere, man. Crazy.
Dispatch, possible code 6 just flew by me. I'm moving up to see if I can ID him.
Look out, cops!
I need a hand with this vehicle.
I got your back. I'll lose the heat. Stay on the pedal.
Patrol Division, be advised. Officers are in a high-speed pursuit with a Code 6 driver. Further details provided on your screens. This call is handled Channel 1. Suspect is in a silver sports car.
We have a unit down. Repeat, we have a unit down. He just blew by. I'm on him. Yeah, I lost him. He can't be far. Hold on.
Attention units on the Code 3 chase. Suspect was last seen heading east. Call is still Code 6. Switch over to TAC 2 for quadrant setup. Members are advised to reference their screens for GPS positions.
Yeah, 2-4 here. I'm cruising in west of the suspect. Still in contact.
Dispatch, this is 2-7. We are tailing a possible match in our Code 6. Code 6. I don't think he sees us.
Hey, we need to meet up. I'm giving you coordinates to a safe house. Meet me there. Darius gave you the safe house. You can use it to fix your car or chill out when the heat's on. You need a wingman, and it looks like I'm it. Let me show you inside.
This whole city's a battleground. All the crews are always fighting over territories. Just check with your map if you want to see what's going on. The minor crews push and pull, but you'll see that most of Palmont City is divided up between Kenji's Bushido, Wolf's TFK, and Angie's 21st Street crew. Your rep? Okay, you have no rep. But you win a few races and you'll end up owning an area, and that's what'll build up your rep. Once the crew bosses see you as a threat, they'll probably come looking for you. If they challenge you, then you got a shot at taking over their turf.
you join us? Yes, please join us.
I tend to subscribe to this policy.
Damn right I do.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Now, did you do it?
I need NOS. I need NOS.